Hello everyone, it's MJ. Welcome to a brand new year. I'm still playing catch up from last year. I finally got my Black Friday order in from Esterbrook. Let's unbox it together. Stay tuned. All right, so yes, this was a Black Friday deal. I had my eye on Esterbrook. I know certain suppliers don't discount Esterbrook, but Esterbrook discounts Esterbrook for, I missed Fountain Pen Day. Fountain Pen Day, they had prototypes on sale. But for Black Friday, they had a whole bunch of stuff. And I got $61 worth of freebies. And I'm not mad about it. So let's see. Okay. All right, we're gonna flip the camera around so you can check out what I'm doing. Okay. Packing paper. I think this is the travel mug. Little ink on the fingers. This is sweet. Oh, I love it. Love that. So cool. It's an elite cup. And I love how it has the little hand, the wrist holder. And I love how it has that. I could put tea in here or whatever. Love that. It's going to look great on my desk. Okay. So I don't know if I told you the story or not, but my choice of nib was delayed. For whatever reason, they just didn't have it in stock. And they were waiting on a shipment to come through. Okay, so this is the ink. Cool. Some stickers. Postcard. And I think this is a stamp. And this was all included on Black Friday, which was nice. I love a good freebie. I actually went today to get a freebie. New York, Esterbrook. Oh, just a little stamp. Love that. A little collectible. Okay. We have all that now. I don't know what's in here. Oh, they gave me a ton of freebies. Oh, okay. So we have sticker, beautiful sticker. Check it out. Oh, this is for that glow series that they had. Funky Town. Love that. Ah, great. I love when companies try to right the wrong a little bit, you know? Now, I don't know what this is. Do I want to open it? I guess I do. So we shall. Oh, look at that. That's lovely. Lovely bookmark page holder. Beautiful. Thank you so, so much. That's customer service. Okay, and then this was also included on Black Friday. And this is the open air kit. And it is just a cute tote bag. Open air. The Anywhere writing set for words in the wild. Ooh, I love that. And we have a set of 3 journals, mini journals, travelers, notebooks. Love that. I may keep my traveler journal set in here. What a great idea. Okay. Now the piece de resistance. This is what I was waiting for. This is the Elite Sea Glass Gold. Oh, beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Stunning. You can see the nib. This is, I'm going to get the proper name of it because I don't want to and this is the activation for the warranty. Always important to do that if you can. And then it's just a cartridge converter. Let's just take it apart. Yeah. Lovely converter. Will hold a lot of ink. And again, there's the nib. Beautiful. So this is my second Estie. The sea glass. You see a theme here? Okay. Let me get the name of that nib. Okay, so this is called the Extra Fine Flex. And that's what I was waiting on with this order. I can't wait to write with it. It's going to be a lot of fun. Have you used the Extra Fine Flex before? Let me know. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, let's get organized and pick an ink for it. Okay, so I looked at my ink collection. I was going to go with Hongdian Bluish Gray, but I just didn't think, the color was the vibe for that pen. And then I was going to go for Aurora Borealis by Colorverse. But that ink, I think you need like a medium or broad nib because it's so shaded and so pale. So we're going to go with the Esterbrook that they sent. Why not? I should say, I don't think it's shimmer. I don't know if you could see that on camera or not, but like the bubbles, there you go. Can you see the bubbles? There you go. They're kind of just, they have that pigeon effect where it's black and then there's a little bit of maroon. We'll see. We'll see how I like it. It's like a purpley color, I guess. I'm just going for it. Drop it one more time. That's it. Okay. Very pigeony. I don't know if that's a good descriptor or not, but that's the one I'm going to use. All right. I just cleaned my desk area too. Now I'm going to have to clean it again. 'Tis the hobby of a fountain pen person, right? All right, let's put this away. Put the cap on. Esterbrook has that nice little give to the caps, which always makes for a good seal on your pen so it doesn't dry out. Okay. And again, this is an extra fine flex. Okay. Okay, and the shade of this, I think this has to be one of my favorite shade names along with Shower Scum. That's the name. They do have a sense of humor over there. This writes very nice. So different amounts of pressure, you know, will release different amounts of ink. And once I get used to writing with it, it should look really pretty. This color is much prettier on paper than it is on the rag. Just saying. It has more of a aubergine color, maybe, if you will. But yeah, very pleased to finally have this. Thank you, Esterbrook, for fulfilling my order and for all of the extra treats as well. That's really great customer service. Two of my favorite pens. I have two Esties now. One day I'll get the Dracula one, the King of the Night one, but for now, these will suffice. So let me know. Are you a fan of Esterbrook? Do you love their products? Do you love the quality that they have? Do you love the customer service? Do you love the different nibs that they offer? I've never seen more nibs offered on any pen in my short experience with this hobby than Esterbrook. They just have so many. And I can see why I had to wait for this one. But it is very, very cool. And again, this is an extra fine flex. And you see that little indentation there. Very cool. Very happy. All right, I'll turn it back over to myself. All right, you guys, so what did you think of my little Esterbrook haul? This is a gem. I was going back and forth with different colors, but this is, you know, I'm a teal girl. I'm a teal girl. When they released this, I was like, oh, this is right up my alley. And I love the different sea glass colors. It's just stunning. Really is. You know, you have shades of pearl, sky blue, teal, green, and it just has like a 3D effect to it when you really look at it. Just really, really good. Also the ink and this freebie that they threw in for me, like, thank you so, so much. Thank you so, so much. I'm a proud owner of Esterbrook pens. Hopefully I will be growing my collection The ink color, the pigeon poop color, is very fun and is actually quite nice on paper. It's very loud on a rag, but once it lands on quality paper, chef's kiss. I love it. All right, so everyone, make sure that you are taking care of yourself so you can take care of others. Let me know, again, have you used Esterbrook? What do you love about the company? Have you tried any of the more exotic nibs that they offer? I would be really, why am I crooked? I'd be really interested to find out. So I am going to enjoy the rest of my coffee and practice my handwriting. And I will see you all in my next video, whether that be sooner or later. So until next time, everyone, goodbye for now. Fill those pens and write those words. Bye. Happy New Year.